In this practice, you will use the draw order command to control the display of an object, add a background to mask the text, and add a wipeout to cover part of the drawing. Open the Subdivision-F drawing. Note a solid hatch in the right of the plane. In the Home tab, expand the Modify panel, expand the draw order, click Send Hatches to Back. The buildings and rows that were hidden behind the hatch are now displayed because the hatch is now behind them. In the Home tab, expand the Modify panel, expand the draw order flyout, and click Send to Back, and select various buildings in Zone B, the yellow hatched area. Press Enter to exit the command. The selected buildings disappear as they are now hidden behind the hatch. Zoom in on Zone B text in the upper part of the yellow hatched area. The lines of the building make the text difficult to read. Double-click on the text to open the text editor. In the text editor contextual tab, Style panel, select A. In the Background Mask dialog box, select Use Background Mask and Use Drawing Background Color. Click OK to apply the settings. Close the text editor contextual tab and note that the background rectangular masks for the text. Next, draw a closed polyline around the blocks of the building and some portions of the street in Zone 3B. In the Home tab, expand the Draw panel and click Wipeout. Press Enter for the polyline option and select the polyline you just drew. Select Yes at the prompt to erase the polyline. The Wipeout masks all the objects enclosed in the polyline because it's drawn on top of them. Start the Wipeout command again. Type F and press Enter to use the Frames option. Select Off to toggle off the frame. In the Home tab, expand Modify panel, expand the Draw Order drop-down list, and click Bring to Front. Select anywhere of the street that is covered by the wipeout. Press Enter. Note that the street becomes visible over the wipeout.